And we
We
are
are live.
live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay.
Happy Sunday to everyone.
Happy Sunday.
Today
Happy blessed
is,
Sunday to everyone.
yes, it's September 1 right now.
Yes,
And
parang
it's,
ganito lang oh. Parang Marichan na. Susulpot na si Marichan.
yeah, it's the first day ng Burr month
Month.
now, right? Sa mga
Yes. With
Pilipino,
all Filipinos, they've been
we
putting up their
know.
decorations already. Because us, mga Filipinos, starting with Burr months, it's Christmas Christmas season already.
Christmas season. Yeah, I have to explain that to my daughter. And kailangan umalis saglit ni Mister, but just saying hi muna sa mga viewers namin. I have 1 million view right now. Casey Abad, hello, hello. Thank you for watching.
So we're live.
Maaga sila nagising sa Hawaii.
Mhm.
Enjoy out there. And to Lian Abad, happy birthday
Day
to
to you.
you. Happy birthday to you.
Dingayam.
Yeah, it's Ate Jao or Lian Abad's birthday today. Yay!
Yay.
Also, it is actually also the birthday of one of my good friend in the Philippines, si Ronaline. It's also her
Hey, happy
birthday.
birthday.
Napaka daling ma-memorize or ma-memorize yung mga birthday nila because today also is Baguio
Baguio
Day,
Day,
September
yes.
1. So, ang dami sa September 1, daming event.
Daming
It's
ganap.
also Labor Day out here, right?
Yeah, Labor Day here,
And it's nice.
US.
It happened to have fallen to a Sunday. So blessed
Mm-hmm.
Sunday to everyone. Like I said, it is actually September 1 right now, and it's 11:39 as of this moment. 11:39 in the morning here in Northern California. So my name is Zapra.
This is Ken, and
We
we
are
are
proud
proud
digital
digital
business
business
owner.
owners.
Again, thank you for
Thank you for
watching
watching
us
again.
today. And thank you it's for those who've been following us. Thank you for watching us, and for those who watch our replays the past few days.
Thank you
Thank
for your
you.
support and watching
Today is our what? Today is
our
our
fifth day.
fifth day. Yes, day 5 na po of our 90-day success challenge.
Challenge.
Malayo-layo pa.
But
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 we're
we'll
gonna keep
be
going, right?
we'll
We're
be
gonna keep
there.
going. Okay. So what's our task for today? Our task for today would be to share your favorite motivational quote.
Oh, motivational quote.
Nako.
Oh, oh, I'm
Marami
gonna.
dyan, pero
Mhm.
actually,
Actually,
kam-
I'm gonna get the favorite verse of
teka lang. Kasi yun actually, hindi lang niya favorite. It's been one of our, and a lot of people for sure has
mhm,
this particular
verse.
verse, Bible
Yes.
verse na favorite ng marami, right? And it's
Mm-hmm.
been my favorite too. So we
Yes.
will show it. It is what?
Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ which strengthen me.
Yeah,
Yan yung verse na inaano rin ni Stephen Curry, Chef Curry.
yeah.
Yeah, very bold siya with her
With his one,
ano
his
tawag
faith.
dito? Faith, yes.
Yes. But
Kaya with
for
this motivational na to, syempre, you can do all things nga through Christ who strengthens you. Sa everyday life natin, um, I know there's gonna be struggles and everything. Sa work, when you go to work,
you
pagod
can
ka,
apply it to a
yes,
lot of things
yes.
pretty much, right?
Kasi
This verse is very
kung wala siya to strengthen you in everyday life, in everyday problem, and everyday struggles, you're gonna be, para kang si Atlas. Pasan-pasan mo ang mundo na ang hirap mong buhatin.
mhm.
Yun. And then,
Pero
plus,
we know that
mhm,
ang Panginoon andyan for us. Hindi mo kailangang
yes. Pasanin.
pasanin ang problema.
Yes.
Lahat ng problema sa mundo kasi
Mhm,
actually he already overcame everything,
mhm,
and he is our creator, right?
yes.
Dapat we should run to him in everything kasi we know and na he's the only one who can help us, right?
And then regarding with the digital business, we know it's gonna be hard. We didn't say it's easy. It's gonna be hard,
In
but
any
it's
business,
gonna be worth it at the
yes.
end.
Yes. In any
Uh,
businesses naman merong, there's gonna be ups and downs. There's gonna be
mhm.
struggles, trials, right? You're gonna go through hardship first, right? But,
Yes.
don't give up kasi nga there's gonna be, and especially ito nga, itong motivational quote namin na to. That's how we always just think of the positive kasi we know that, especially we've been telling our content na actually as long as you prayed, and we dedicated our business, right, to
Mhm.
to God. So we know that He will help us get through it, right, and any challenges in this business that we are in.
Mhm.
We know that we're going to overcome it because we know that God is with us, and we've been praying every time. Kasi there's some trials or some, trials that we will face in this business.
Mhm.
We give it up to God kasi nga we know that hindi naman he's the only one who can help us. Plus actually with this verse it just makes me it reminds me of what I went through when I was in the military. So I'm actually a veteran right now, and but so when I joined the military, I was in the Air Force. When I was in the boot camp,
Mhm.
this is one of the things I've been thinking every time. Ito yung it motivated me to get through my training kasi nga um I was I really hate running, and that's one of the mga nasa part ng fitness test namin is we have to do a run, right?
Mhm. Huwag ka
We
kasing
have
tumakbo. You walk.
no, no, no. But no, because it's part of our test, right? Fitness test is to run. And I have really bad parang hingalin ako eh. But then I got into the military. I joined, right? I have to pass the test. So, yun ang laging lang ini-instill ko sa isip ko during those time. No, I can do this. I can do this
Mhm.
through Christ. And definitely, kasi talaga, and that's when I actually, it was, like, kaya it's memorable sa akin kasi that's when I really found that only God can really rescue you, in times na hindi mo na kaya. Kasi even though that's only just physical, but
Mhm.
then I remember that was that time when I think that was the last test na namin before we can graduate. And I was really running out of breath na feeling ko talaga parang mamamatay ako kasi wala na, parang hindi na kaya ng lungs ko during that time. But I lift it up to God. Sabi ko, I need this, Lord. Kailangan maipasa ko to, but only you can help me. And then talaga doon, kaya nga yung sabihin, ang Panginoon talaga, ang source natin sa lahat. And He showed me, He was my source of breath. And during that time na kailangan ko, He gave me that parang sabi ko nga, yung nga, kasi nga, I was running out of breath. Talagang biglang all of a sudden, I
Mhm.
felt like I had that parang hangin ba or what, tapos energy nung
Parang
time na yon, and I was able to complete
task.
yung test.
Mhm.
So parang dun talaga he showed me how what he can do for my life, and but then also it has a wake up call na talagang sa akin in everything, talagang siya lang talaga ang matatakbuhan natin. And
Mhm.
He will not give up on us. Even dun sa pinakadulo na kung saan sa tingin mo parang nag-iisa ka na lang. No, God will be with you all throughout,
Yes.
right? And He will show you what He can do for you. Yung mga na sa tingin natin impossible, no, He can do those. Nothing is impossible with Him, right? And then also it was a good timing to that we've just this morning we had our service, and yung on
Yeah,
time
on
God, right?
time
He's
God.
always on time, you know.
Never too
uh
late.
Never.
Never giving up.
Yes.
He is a on time God.
So going back to ano yung sa digital business na to, we keep on tawag nito, uh, we with this motivational quote, we want to keep on, we always think about this verse kasi nga, talaga, like what my husband said, there are times when there's struggles, or
Mhm.
challenges in this business, and we had those, especially on the very first part of our business,
Mhm.
in parang walang naniniwala sa amin, and everything, rejections, you go through rejections from a lot of people. So of course nakaka-pull down ng uh, confidence mo
Confidence.
yon. But we just think about this na, and then we look, kasi syempre nakita naman natin maraming mga naging successful dito, and they also went through what we've been through. So sabi namin, we will get there too, and we can overcome this. We know we will be successful through Christ, right? Through Christ, for Christ's help. So that's why we always pray for our business. And so, for our business partners out there, don't give up. Don't give up. If
Yes.
we want to share this verse to you guys too, na, or even yung kwan, 'di ba, if other, yung meron yung iba na yung quote na, if others can, why can't I? Keep that in mind,
Mhm.
kasi, and then, and I think nabanggit natin kahapon to, na, or other, no, I think maybe narinig ko to sa other live ng mga kasama nating business partner, where they were talking about struggles. And God will not allow trials in our life na hindi natin kayang i-overcome.
Mhm.
And when times na parang nahihirapan tayo, so he allows the trials, right? Because he knows we can overcome it. But at the same time, he's also there. He's also there now, um always ready to help
Catch
us,
you.
catch you when you're
Mhm. Fall.
when you fall,
Fall
or when
down
you
and
stumble,
stumble.
or when you're having a hard time. And actually meron yung nag-share sa group natin, community natin, yung, if you if you know the story about the footprints in the sand,
Mhm.
'di ba? Yung footprints in the sand is that, um yun nga, yung you were, at first you were seeing two footprints.
Mhm.
Do you know that, ano?
No.
Yeah, hindi mo alam yung story
Hindi
na yun.
ko.
Okay, so dun sa footprints in the sand, kasi, so at first he was seeing two footprints,
Mhm.
his footprints and God's footprint,
Mhm.
'di ba? They were walking sa my
Mhm.
beach. But then again, sabi niya, bakit nung time na he was feeling really down, he was going through trials, he only saw
One
one set of
footprint.
footprint.
Mhm.
Pero sabi ng Panginoon, because that was the time that I carried you. Sabi niya. So
Mhm.
napakaganda nung kuan na yun, nung story na yun, because
Yeah.
it tells you that God is not
It give me goosebumps yun,
goosebumps,
ah.
but that tells you that God is
Oh
just
yeah, that's true, huh?
always with you. He will not let you go.
Kaya pala isang
Um,
footprint na lang because he's the one walking and
Carrying you.
carrying you
Oo,
already.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah,
So
now I know.
because nandyan
Na-educate din ako, ah. Tingnan
because
mo,
nandyan siya lagi,
hindi lang kayo na-educate, ako rin na-educate.
And yeah, so what else? I guess that's all
Yeah,
for
that's
today.
it
We
for
want to
today.
try
Yes.
to shorten this live, kasi may important,
May huddle ng
may huddle
team.
kami, ang team. So we want to
And
be able to catch that. So
yes, with this business, just go to your training, just do baby steps. And
sa mga business partners
sa mga
natin, yeah.
business partners natin and future business partners who are listening there, baby step, and then just click that button. You will not regret it. Believe him, believe me, or believe us. It will help you with this any kung ano man pinagtataanan nyo. And regarding with your finances too, makakatulong sa inyo to. And then just check it out. Walang mawawala sa inyo.
Yeah.
And
So,
again, this is not a scam. We're not
yeah.
scamming you.
See, the good thing with our
Just
business
check on it.
is not only it had helped us with
Yes.
finances, but
Mhm.
see, it's helping us. Our mindset is
Mindset,
building our character,
relationship
changing
with
our
our kids,
character. Yeah,
your relationship with your husband, your
Mhm.
parents, your wife.
Yeah. So there's a lot of
It's gonna
benefits from
be
coming from this business.
magpo-flourish,
Yeah.
magbo-bloom.
Plus, especially kasi part
Yes.
of their business, we have a very good community that's been
Yes.
helping us, encouraging
It's
each
a
other.
helping hand.
Yeah, so we want to share that to you, but in
Mhm.
order for you to learn what we how our business
This
is, or what
Yeah.
how beautiful our business is, you have to check it out. You have to
Yes.
take the leap of faith.
Check
So,
that www.genosub.com.
right?
Register your name, put your email address there, and click that button
Yes.
and check that free webinar. Once you get to the next step, let us know, PM us,
Yeah.
and we will guide you
You-
for the rest.
Yes.
Through the rest ng journey na to.
Okay.
We will ride together.
Yeah.
Hindi ka lang mag-iisa.
Right.
So again, this is Ken.
And I'm Zap.
So less stress,
More joy.
more fun. Kaya
Join
join us. And we are proud digital
A
business owners.
We're signing off early now, so thank
Yes,
you.
thank
Enjoy your
you.
Sunday. Enjoy your
God
long
bless. God
weekend.
bless.
Happy Labor Day
Labor
for
Day
everyone.
for everyone.
Okay.
God bless
God bless everyone.
everyone. Bye.